In this video, I'm going to show you how to see sensitive content on Twitter. So if you're seeing this content may be sensitive on X and can't view post, don't worry, you just need to adjust a few settings. So here's how to enable sensitive content in seconds. So what you have to do is to click on more at the left side. Now you have to click on settings and privacy. And right here, what you need to do is to click on privacy and safety. So tap on this one. Now at the right side, click on content you see. So here you'll see display media that may contain sensitive content. So as you can see, this is turned on. So make sure you see the check mark right here to know if it's turned on. So once this is turned on, this allows you to view flag posts. Another thing you can do is to go back to privacy and safety. Tap on content you see again. And down here, you should see search settings. Tap on it. So turn off hide sensitive content. If you see a check mark right here, click that to turn it off. And now you've updated the search settings. Now sensitive posts can appear in search results too. Now the next thing you can do is to refresh the page. You can close it too. And now settings should apply instantly. So some content may still be hidden based on account age or region, and you must be 18 plus to view sensitive media. And that's it. You can now view sensitive content on X without restrictions. Thanks for watching.